In this video, I'll show you how to make a video using Grok AI. Let's get started. First, open Grok and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're inside, go to the Imagine section from the left-hand side. Here, you can create images and videos using AI. Now, click on the option to create a video. In the prompt box, type what kind of video you want to generate. For example, you can type something like a cinematic sunset beach scene. After entering your prompt, press Enter or click on Generate. Grok will start processing your request and create the video. This may take a few seconds. Once it's done, you'll see the generated video on your screen. You can preview it and check the results. If you like it, click on the Download option to save the video to your device. You can also try different prompts to create more unique and creative videos. And that's it. That's how you can easily create videos using Grok AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.